Hey guys, Flunderlock here. Welcome to another video. Today we're gonna be reviewing the AirPods Pro clone and the AirPods clone. This is the InPods 12, while this is the low sense AirPod Pro clone. So today we're gonna be looking at the sound quality of the both of them, and we're gonna see which one has the better sound quality. But my guess is that it's gonna go to the AirPods Pro clone. Like the builds are obviously modeled after their variation of the AirPods. This is modeled after the first generation AirPods, while this is modeled after the AirPods Pro. This has a glossy finish, this one has a matte finish, and the hinges of this one is so good. For the price, this one actually comes in at a cheaper price than this one. This one comes in under $20, while this one is just about $20. So why don't we check out both of them? We're gonna check out the sound quality of both of them and see which one is the best. But honestly, just out of bias now, I'm gonna say you guys should most likely get the AirPods Pro clone, because I mean the AirPods Pro clones, the AirPods Pro, they look extremely nice. Okay, so let's connect the first one. So this is actually the InPods 12. When you want to connect it, it shows AirPods, so we're going to connect this one first. Okay, we're waiting for it to connect. Okay, so now it's connected. As you can see, the indicator lights are off, so we're going to try some music and see which one's better. So I'm going to put the music closer to the microphone so you guys can listen. Okay, so that's the AirPods. Now let's check the AirPods Pro. Okay, I think the AirPods Pro is also pretty good. Anyway, anyone you guys like, just let me know, and see you guys in the next one.